What is up, gamers? It's the day. It's the big day. I'm going to be unboxing a Steam Deck here. I'm putting on a screen protector. So let's do it. I have not opened the box yet. I haven't even touched the box. So here we go. Am I using a pen to cut the tape? Yeah. Got to use whatever's available to you, you know? We'll say this is some pretty sturdy tape. I was surprised by how not big the box was. I was expecting like a ginormous box. For scale, this is an iPhone 13 Max. Bing bada boom. Check that out. And I'm going to grab a switch real quick. I wanted to compare this to a Switch in a Satisfy grip, which I think personally is the only way to play a Nintendo Switch. You really got to play it with the Satisfy grip, or you're just gonna have cramping, and that's no fun. So anyway, this is the box compared to the Satisfy grip. We'll come back to that in a minute. Attention! Plug in. Then power on. Say it sensuously. I am going to have to find somewhere to plug it in. A button readout. It does tell you how to access the side menus, so that's nice. I believe this is the charger. Let's go ahead and get this opened. I love the tagline on these. Your games are going places. It's nice. I like it. I'm just noticing here. Never do this. Properties. The brightness is just too much. Scale that down a bit. Alright. You guys can. Everything's backwards because the camera orientation isn't working properly, so I had to flip it vertically, which leads to it being mirrored. It's a whole thing. Ooh, check it out. Like a girthy little manual. Don't see that every day. I don't know why this has like a lift right there. Nothing in there. That's satisfying. I like watching it across two screens. All right. Get this out of here. Im Garten en Submarin. Auf dem Schiff, im Flugzeug, on the subway, in a test chamber, on the moon. That's fun. Ooh, that made me think of Wolfenstein. That the moon side quest on that was pretty rocking. Here it is. Have to remove. Alright, well, that was not a satisfying tear. I will not do that. I'm not going to try to start a ASMR tearing channel anytime soon. Wow, it is really bad. It is not properly perforated at all. Just gonna have to tear it. I mean, I kind of want to just check to make sure I'm not missing any like warnings or anything on here. So I'm trying to preserve it, but it's a chore to preserve it. All right, now I have seen a lot of people with a bunch of questions, and I think it's fairly obvious here. So there is this rear flap. This is very clearly for a pair of sunglasses. Just kidding. It's for your power cord. which doesn't fit great in here, but does come with this little baggie that you can put it in so that your cord isn't just flopping all over the place. For me personally, though, I did buy an Anker 45 watt and a 65 watt charger, just because I sometimes travel with my laptop and I hate the stupid Dell charging brick that comes with my work laptop. It is beyond annoying. It's like this. It's like bigger than my phone. Ridiculous. So anyway, so I got one of those, but it does add considerable bulk here. So that's kind of a bummer and annoying. I do have a grommet on my desk with a plug insertion, so I'm just going to insert that there. Handy dandy trusty plug. Oh, it's got like a little valve safety McBobber here. I think it wants me to have to actually cut this. I didn't expect to have to like cut to get into my Steam Deck, but I don't see a way around that. All right. Now, as I'm opening this, I'm just going to go ahead and put this screen protector on right away. I bought the brand with the most number of reviews. Honestly, this is a temporary placeholder. From what I've seen and read about the D brand screen protector, that's what I'm going to be using on mine, and I'll probably be using the kill switch case. Just after buying the Satisfy grip for my Switch, I'm never going back to cheapo cases for my handhelds. It's just unparalleled. Thank you for choosing AM Film. AM Film? I don't know. Dust removal stickers. Lifetime warranty with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Does that mean the expected lifespan of the product is 30 days? No. I can't lie and say I'd be superbly surprised by that if it were true. Alright, microfiber cloth inside here. There are some other brands. I know like the JSOC specifically comes with like a mounting plate mechanism, whatever you want to call that, to give you optimal orientations. I don't know. Screen cleaning. Use after step 1. Wet wipe to clean your screen. Use the step 2 dry wipe to remove any moisture left over from the cleaning process. Okay, so you use step 1 wet wipe, step 2 cleaning wipe. Then there could be factory debris still on this. Now this came with 3, so find some friends who have a Steam Deck, I guess, and share with them. For me, that really showcases like a lack of belief in your own product to keep people's stuff safe. Does that make sense? Like I don't like why are there 3? Is 1 not sufficient? I've had my screen cover on my Switch since day 1, and I bought it pretty close after the launch. So just kind of wild to me. Sorry, that was just me. Looks like there is some dust on here, so we will get right to work. And it does come with a microfiber cleaning cloth. I guess this is supposed to help you get your Steam Deck out. That's a little bit weird to me. But everything seems to fit in here pretty flush. I'm pretty happy with the size here. No complaints. Wet wipe, dry wipe. Here we go. I'm just gonna set these all out. I hate having to like tinker with them later, so. I just noticed the printing, and you won't be able to read this, A, because it's so small, and B, because it's backwards. But the printing on these dust removals says, please don't use this to remove dust on Nintendo Switch. And I don't know if that's like a joke or what, but seems a little strange to me. Wow, okay, this alcohol wipe is no joke. It is wet. Let's use this dry wipe here. Oh, try not to get my finger oils on the screen. I think it just kind of has a dry wipe. I didn't see. Oh, there is a microfiber cloth. It's like this really needs a microfiber cloth though. And if you have them, I do recommend using Elgato key lights. This is really helpful for me. Usually I do these in the bathroom. A humid environment is really helpful for applying screen protectors. I do like that this gives you two little tabs here. We'll try to go from right to left. And bing bada boom. Just one little area right there. Dagnabbit. One tiny little dust particle trapped in there, so make sure you're extra careful with yours. This lines up pretty well, but not as exact as other brands, so I would not recommend this brand. But it's going to work for me. I just need to keep this safe until the kill switch comes out and I get free shipping on my D-brand screen protector. It's otherwise $5 shipping, and I'm like, I don't want to do that. All right, now we plug it in. There are charging port. The charging port is on the top side. The bottom side is just the SIM port. Wow, it is. It's big, but it feels good in the hand. Whereas the Nintendo Switch feels terrible in the hand. And you'll see here the screen is basically taking up almost all of the real estate. After you add a Satisfy grip to actually make your Steam Deck playable. Adding a few inches of screen real estate really makes a difference here. And then also just adding in more buttons Obviously the trackpad sensors. Dude. Makes a fun little noise. I think it's powering on, but I can't be sure. This might just be a charging logo. I don't know. That's it for this video, though. You'll have to stay tuned to see what we do with some software fixes, what games we can get running, and how they'll run. Until next time, friends, good luck out there. Have some fun. Keep on gaming. Keep on building those PCs. Bye for now. Ah, it did turn on. Ha ha! Parting gift. Bye for now.